excessive yawning. The truth about why you yawn. Everyone yawns, and yet not many people understand why. When you yawn, you breathe in lots of air and fill your lungs. This stretches your eardrums and carries extra oxygen to your brain and the rest of your body. A yawn can be short or long, and there are a lot of things that can cause it. Some reasons you yawn are to cool your body down, regulate your body temperature, and stimulate alertness and boost cognitive function. Or you can also yawn when you're bored and your brain is changing to a lower level of attentiveness. It can also force blood and oxygen to your brain to increase alertness. And when you're stressed or shift from a relaxed state to an anxious one, you can also yawn. Or you can yawn when someone else yawns. So the next time you yawn, try to work out which cause applies to you. The secret about why yawning is so contagious. You've probably experienced it yourself. Someone else yawns, and suddenly you're fighting back the urge to do the same yourself, even though you didn't feel like yawning a few moments before. Yawning is contagious, and here are some facts about this strange little fact. You're more likely to yawn after a friend or a family member or someone you know yawns compared to a stranger you don't know. Yawning is usually only contagious within the same species, which is why you don't yawn when your pet yawns. Contagious yawning begins around the age of 4 or 5, along with the development of empathy. And it seems to be a primitive form of communication and may communicate anxiety or fatigue or boredom or an attempt to trigger sympathy. What are the common causes of excessive yawning? Yawning too much is more common than you might think, and it could be due to a range of medical conditions, including a vasovagal reaction, which is when your nervous system no longer regulates your blood pressure and heart rate the way it should be, fatigue and being tired, not getting a good night's rest of sleep, if you have sleep apnea or insomnia, certain medications like pain medications, antidepressants, and antihistamines, being in your final stages of liver disease or multiple sclerosis or a seizure like epilepsy disorder, brain dysfunctions like a brain tumor or a stroke, and even hypoglycemia or low blood sugar can cause excessive yawning. And also overstimulation of the parasympathetic nervous system can be responsible for slowing down the heart rate and energy conservation. How adrenal fatigue causes excessive yawning. Yawning is often an ignored symptom of adrenal fatigue. Adrenal fatigue occurs when you're under stress for a long period of time, and this causes your body to have high demand for cortisol levels in order to cope with the stress. Over time, this heavy workload causes your adrenal glands to become fatigued, which can result in a whole range of issues and problems. There's a strong link between adrenal fatigue, yawning, and high cortisol levels. Here are some of the causes of yawning when you have adrenal fatigue. General fatigue, blood sugar instabilities, hormonal imbalances, poor sleeping patterns, and imbalances in the neurotransmitters in your brain. So if you have adrenal fatigue, then it's much worth it to talk to your doctor about potential causes of your excessive yawning. So quick tips for correcting excessive yawning. If you find that you're yawning too much, here are some quick tips that can help. Make sure you get at least 8 hours of sleep at night. Practice adrenal breathing or other breathing exercises. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Go outside, get some fresh air. Take regular breaks when you're working and get up to move around. Stretch or otherwise move your body. Eat cooling snacks like fruit or yogurt, and go for a walk. And bring your body temperature down by turning on the fan or air conditioning or use a compress on your forehead. Another thing that can help is a glass of cinnamon tea. So next time you can't stop yawning, try one of these tips and see if it helps. Thanks for listening today, and we hope you get something helpful from this content on excessive yawning. If you'd like to hear more great tips, make sure to click the subscribe button and like and share so that we can find people who need it. And remember that we're always here to empower you to take control of your health.